Hey guys, just getting ready to open up this full screen version of Pinocchio's Revenge. As you can see on the back, we are looking at just full screen version. It is only a 2.0 surround. The DVD does have a scene index though. I'm not seeing any other special features. We're looking at a runtime of approximately 96 minutes. We do have violence, terror, sex, and nudity. So this is going to be awesome. So anyway, I'm just going to take a second and open it up here. It's kind of difficult with one hand. I don't own a tripod. I've never done this before. So we bring scissors. Maybe scissors will help. Maybe I can there. Yeah, that did it. That's normally not how I would do it, but this is how I'm going to do it now. Alright, I'll have somebody take care of that. Alright, so we can open it up here. Alright, so we're looking at really minimal packaging here. Pinocchio's Revenge DVD. Make sure, I do believe this is brand new. It looks pretty good. Alright, anyway, that was Pinocchio's Revenge. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that smash those buttons. You know what to do.